Hi guys, my name is Ilona and I'm Russian teacher on italki. Today I'm going to talk about how to order food in Russian and will give you guys some useful expressions for it. This information will help you to make ordering food very simple. So let's get started. Let's say you are in a restaurant and you need a menu. You can ask a waiter, официант, to bring you a menu. Принесите, пожалуйста, меню. If you can't decide what to order, you can ask a waiter or waitress, что вы посоветуете? What do you recommend? There are many ways how to order food in Russian, and here are some expressions you can use. Я хочу, I would like. For example, я хочу суп, I would like a soup. Or I'll have a salad, я возьму салат. Also you can say, could you bring me some French fries? Принесите мне, пожалуйста, картошку фри. If you want to be more polite, you can say, I would like to order a fish, please. Я бы хотел заказать рыбу, пожалуйста. If you are not sure about the price, you can ask how much is it, сколько это стоит. Usually before meals we say the phrase bon appetit, приятного аппетита. Literally it means have a good appetite. If you liked your meal, you can say было очень вкусно. It was delicious. After the meal, when you want to ask for the bill, you can say чек, пожалуйста, check please. Or you could say принесите счет, пожалуйста. May I have the bill, please? With a little practice, you'll become more confident at ordering food in Russian. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about Russian language, please subscribe to italki channel. You can take a lesson with me by clicking on my teacher profile link in the description. Bye!